Welcome to PRISCI-ANTO Educational Academy. Prove that x into pi square minus x square divided by 12, which is equal to sin x divided by 1 cube minus sin 2x divided by 2 cube plus sin 3x divided by 3 cube minus etc. So this is the question. We are going to prove this. So answer is, this is the Fourier series, we know well, in the interval minus pi to plus pi. That is very important. So the given f of x, which is equal to x into pi square minus x square divided by 12. This is f of x. So we are going to check, because minus pi to plus pi is given, we are going to check the given function is even or odd. So f of minus x, which is equal to minus x pi square minus x whole square divided by 12, which is equal to minus x into pi square minus x square divided by 12. So you know this is given one. So therefore given one you can write as minus into f of x. This is whole term is given in the problem f of x. So f of minus x is equal to minus f of x. Therefore the given function is odd function. Given function is odd function. So odd function means directly you can write a naught an is equal to 0. So you have to find only bn. So how to find bn value, I will tell you. So bn value you have to find using the Fourier series, can be written as a naught by 2, okay, total term a naught by 2 plus an summation n equal to 1 to infinity an cos nx plus bn sin nx. But here a naught an is equal to 0, that's why no need to write the bn, okay, a naught value. So directly you can write bn instead of a naught bn. So n equal to 1 to infinity bn sin nx. This is the Fourier series formula. So we have to find bn value. How to find bn value? Bn is equal to 2 divided by pi integral over the limit 0 to pi f of x sin nx into dx, which is equal to 2 divided by pi integral over the limit 0 to pi. F of x is given in the problem x into pi square minus x square divided by 12. This can be written, you can multiply inside, right? So therefore into sin nx into dx, so which is equal to 2 divided by pi integral over the limit 0 to pi x pi square minus x cube divided by 12 into sin nx dx, sin nx dx. So here you have to take the bn value which is equal to this one. So we are going to solve using the Bernoulli's formula. What is the Bernoulli's formula? U is equal to integral uv dx, u is equal to x pi square minus x cube divided by 12. V is equal to sin nx. So v1 is equal to minus cos nx divided by n. v2 is equal to minus sin nx divided by n square. This is already, I have explained many problems, so that's why you know very well I think. v3 is equal to minus sin. Sin if you are integrating you will get minus cos. So already there is minus, so that's why cos nx divided by n cube. Okay, so u dash which is equal to pi square minus 3x square divided by 12. U double dash minus 6x divided by 12 minus 6x divided by, right, it is a 12. So 12, suppose if you want to take 12 as a common, you can take as, so u triple dash which is equal to minus 6 divided by 12 minus 6 divided by 12, that will be minus 1 by 2. So you know very well. So that's why we are going to use in the Bernoulli's formula. So what is the Bernoulli's formula? Bernoulli's formula is integral uv dx. So therefore integral uv dx. So bn value which is equal to 2 divided by pi uv1 x pi square minus x cube divided by 12 into v1 minus cos nx divided by n minus u dash pi square minus 3x square divided by 12 into minus sin nx. So minus or minus plus sin nx divided by n square. Okay, next plus u v1 minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3 plus u double dash v3. So minus 6x divided by 12 sin u v1 minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3. So minus 6x sin nx v3 is cos, v3 is cos nx divided by n cube. Next, here you can see u dash, u double dash, u triple dash, v1, v2, v3, v4 is minus sin nx cos. If you are integrating, you will get sin nx divided by n power 4. So these all we are writing here. So minus 6x cos. So u v1 minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3 minus u triple dash v4. So sin nx divided by n power 4. So the limit is 0 to pi. So first if you apply pi as well as 0, second term, fourth term will become 0. So which is equal to 2 divided by pi. So here will be minus, for x you have to apply pi into pi square will be pi cube minus pi cube divided by 12 into cos n pi divided by n. When you apply the upper limit here, minus 6 pi divided by 12 cos n pi divided by n cube. This is upper limit. Minus lower limit is 0, 0. Lower limit if you apply, everything will be 0. So 2 divided by pi, first term will be 0. Okay, so you will get only one term, that will be minus 6 pi divided by 12 cos n pi. So cos n pi divided by n cube. This is the final answer. So answer is Pn value is equal to 2 divided by pi minus 6 pi divided by 12 cos n pi is minus 1 power n divided by n cube. So therefore 2, 6 pi, 12 pi cancel. So minus 1 power n divided by n cube. This is Bn value. So Bn is equal to minus 1 power n divided by n cube. So this is Bn value. After finding the Bn value, you have to substitute in the formula, Fourier series formula. So therefore Fourier series is, already as I told you, f of x is equal to Fourier series if it is a odd function, summation n equal to 1 to infinity Bn sin nx. So what is Bn? Bn value, summation n equal to 1 to infinity. Bn value you have to substitute here. So what is Bn value? Bn value is equal to minus 1 power n divided by n cube sin nx. So So what is f of x? That is given in the problem. So x into pi square minus x square divided by 12. This is given in the problem, which is equal to. So you have to substitute for n is equal to 1. Okay. So nx. So n is equal to 1 means minus sin x. So minus, here will be plus, minus of minus. For n you have to apply 1. So sin x divided by 1 cube minus sin 2x divided by 2 cube plus sin 3x divided by 3 cube plus minus etc. So this is the final answer. Left hand side is x into pi square minus x square divided by 12. This is the final answer. Thank you.